Hello YouTube followers, Jose Nunes here, and I'd like to wish you right now a happy new year. So 2013 is here, and there you go. So here we have Sony Vegas Pro 12. So I'm gonna do a review now on Sony Vegas. So it's been a bit problems, been a bit of bugs with the software, which we all, in the forums, everybody's trying to blame the Sony Vegas creators for the problems we're having. But actually, you probably know by now that the problem is actually due to Microsoft, the Windows 7. They basically stopped doing any, they haven't finished Windows 7 yet, and we already go Windows 8. And all this is because of the big fight between Microsoft and Apple. And you probably by now also know that Apple is now the most expensive company in the world, has overtaken Coca-Cola and Microsoft. So, Windows, Microsoft is trying to create their mobile devices, and so we end up having a crap operation system that causes these problems we've been having at Sony Vegas. Now, how to fix that problem? So to fix that problem, all you need to do is basically right click. So you can see what I did in mine here is right click on the Sony Vegas icon, go to properties, then you go to compatibility, and you scroll down to change settings for all users, and then you set to run like I did there in Windows Vista. So because I'm using Windows 7 Professional, I go a lot of different options that I can choose where do I want to run the software in order to make the software work properly. So basically this is all you have to do to fix all those rendering problems, crash, and a lot of problems that I had in the Sony Vegas Pro 12. And Sony Vegas Pro 11 still got some problems, which is the rendering problem, which I haven't managed to fix yet. But hopefully Microsoft will get their head down and get to finish Windows 7 so we can have a proper operation system and stop trying to their wars, these fights that we go caught in the middle. Now, so once you've done that, let's go back here to Sony Vegas Pro 12. So you can see here I've been messing here a couple of settings here, see if I can get to crash. So nothing crashes. I've been using all the plugins, Title Pro and 3D, and everything seems to be working without crashing. I actually left this running. As you can see, right now it's 4 AM in the morning. I'm in UK, so this is the wonders working from home. If you think you're gonna get rich quick, this is crazy working hours when you work for yourself. But there you go. So one of the things I wanted to do is to fix this problem with Sony Vegas Pro 12 because I want to use it. So it's 2013, it's about times for us to start to use the software. And yes, it's gonna be coming up a lot of good tutorials, a lot of new and very good tutorials I'm gonna be showing you guys here on Sony Vegas Pro 12. So all the highlights has already been a couple of videos here showing what's new with it, but I think what's really good with it is we got more speed and better image quality since it's a 64-bit, so it's pretty good. So let's prepare things here for us to work with. So you should know if you click here, we can move windows around here, and one of the things we can do here is, since we have like in any Sony Vegas, you have two commandos, the play buttons, etc. So I'm gonna do is right click here, and I'm gonna get rid of this one by just the transport bar. Okay, so remove that, so you can see it gives me more screen there. I don't need that there. Another thing I did is I moved the trimmer. The trimmer is actually really good if you want to use for quick edits. So what the trimmer allows me to do, you can see here, this is a turn on and off the preview button, and I can use once I'm looking for files that I want to use, see that multiple place for me on the trimmer. And the trimmer has a lot of uses, so I will do a new video show you what you can do with the trimmer. So in this case, the trimmer is a very useful tool if you know how to use it, okay, for a very quick edits. Another thing I got here, this is a scatter shot from Vast. This is it's a plugin that saves a lot of time when it comes to keyframe. It's a very useful tool. And another one I got here, which is the Title Pro. Again, another useful tool to use for 3D editing, which I will be uploading this year. Most of the new tutorials about Sony Vegas will be on Sony Vegas Pro 12 and all the new stuff that we can do. And as you can see, so I'm just want to show you the how to fix the Sony Vegas problems. So I'm using here a lot of stuff that would crash, and the reason would crash is just because of the version, because it's running on Windows 7. So now I'm running on Windows Vista, so fix the problem because I'm running in older version of Microsoft operation systems. So there it goes, guys. Remember to comment, rate and subscribe so you can see the new videos, and let's spend a nice year here, 2013. Bye bye for now.